Hi all, this is Chandraman. Today we are going to speak about taking 100% responsibility of your life to live a happy life and for becoming successful. Have you ever tried to think whatever has happened in your life, good or bad, it's only because of you? Just think for a minute. The life which you are leading right now, family situation, professional career, state of your physical health, the debts which you have, anything that has happened, it's only because of you and you are responsible for it. We as a human always forget real truth of the life. Only one person who is responsible for the quality of life which you are leading is you. Let me tell you the real incident which has happened with me 2 years ago. Me and my friend were coming from one of my relative function. I saw a man near to the street light and he was searching for something. I asked my friend to stop the bike for helping him. We went to that person and asked him what is that he is searching for. He replied, I lost the key. Even we started searching with him for 10 to 15 minutes. And later we asked him, did you lost your key over here? He said, no, I lost it in my house. And I was shocked. And then we asked him, why are you searching here then? He replied, because he have a light here. Later we dropped him near to his house and left that day. I have learned a new lesson over there. It's silly, right? Even we do the same things. We always try to search outside and try to find the answers for why. Why we have not created the life or the result the way we want. Just pause this video for a minute and try to go back to your past for a while. There will be a lot of incidents which might have occurred and you will get to know. Your life is led by you, not by others. You are the master of your life and you have a control to it. And you can create the life the way you want. First, for achieving those things that are most important to you, first you must understand that 100% responsibility of your life is yours, not others. The life which you are leading is always the result of your decision and responsibility. Those who are new to my channel, who has not seen my first video of decision making, I request you to watch it as that is the first step for achieving the things. Let me share you the three things which always stop us from taking 100% responsibility. Stop blaming others. This is the worst habit which I have seen, and I am sure you might have also seen it somewhere. If anyone is not able to achieve the desired results which you want, they start playing the blaming game. They start blaming to their boss, spouse, friends, family, and economy. Second, stop complaining. Complaining is the another form of blaming, as if you have no choice. We also forget what complaining shows to other person. It shows the lack of focus and confidence in you. Before doing that, ask yourself, what is the new thing which you are going to learn in it? What is in it for you? Third, stop taking personally. This is the one of the biggest caution. We always assume everything is only for us. This is one of the thing which we should stop. Always remember, we don't have a control on opposite person thoughts. Only we have a control on yourself. That is how you respond. Tips for taking 100% responsibility of your life. Live in the present moment. What has happened in your past is history. Your future will always be a mystery. All you have is now and present. Start living in present and choose your thoughts accordingly. If you remember, in last video I have told you about the decision making. The decision which you make in the present will always create your future. User interpretation. You always have a power to choose. In fact, you are making all the choices for what to do or what not to do. Third, be calm and confident. When you take a charge of yourself, you feel calm and confident because you are consciously thinking and you have a choice to respond the way you want. Thank you all for watching this video. Click on subscribe, comment and share this video